Hi everyone, Ryan from Foxtecc here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your internet usage on an iPad. Whether you're trying to keep an eye on your data usage for a cellular plan or track your Wi-Fi consumption, I'll guide you through the steps. Let's dive right in. First, open the Settings app on your iPad. If you're using a cellular-enabled iPad, tap on either cellular or mobile data. Here, you can scroll down to see the data usage for each app under the Cellular Data Usage section. This is a useful way to monitor how much data individual apps are consuming when you're not connected to Wi-Fi. However, if you want to track your Wi-Fi data usage, it's a bit different. Unfortunately, Apple doesn't provide a native way to do this within iPadOS. So, to monitor your Wi-Fi usage, you'll need to download a third-party app like Dataman or My Data Manager from the App Store. These apps will give you a detailed breakdown of your Wi-Fi data usage and can be a valuable tool for keeping track of your internet activity. Some of you might have a router that allows you to check internet usage per device through its web interface or app. However, this varies greatly depending on the router model and brand, so I won't be able to walk you through that in this video. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to see your internet usage on an iPad, both for cellular data and Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. See you guys later.